In order to run Android Studio on your development computer, you'll need certain minimums in your operating system and in your hardware. If you're working on Microsoft Windows, you can use Windows 7, 8, or 10, and Android Studio supports both 32 and 64-bit Windows. If you're working on a Mac, you'll need Mac OS 10.10, Yosemite, or later, and on Linux, you'll need a version that has the GNOME or the KDE desktop. And like Mac, you can only use 64 bits on Linux. For hardware, in general, more is better. For random access memory, 4 GB is the absolute minimum regardless of operating system, and 8 GB is really recommended. I like working on computers with 16 GB because Android Studio never runs out of memory then. To install the product, you'll need a minimum of 2 GB of hard disk space, and more is better. And it will be no surprise if I say that a faster processor will make the software run faster. More importantly, having multiple cores improves Android Studio's performance because it's frequently doing multiple tasks simultaneously. Minimally, I recommend a computer with a dual-core CPU, but if you can get more cores, it's even better. And for a display, you'll need a minimum resolution of 1280 by 800. A higher resolution will let you see more on the screen, but that's the minimum that you absolutely need.